Sick or not.
What is that, Zoo? He's going to own Jed. What is it, Jed?
So instead of attaching upwards towards the 12, this one is attached down towards the 6 o'clock.
Jed's like, this is just wrong. He's like, don't you know I'm a pit bull?
He's really scared of him, though.
What I think is really cool is that the numbers and the markers in this are actually brushed little blocks of steel that are made individually and then are actually hand set into the dial. So some pretty cool stuff. Stick around, guys, as we got a lot more planned for you. 6063.
Zuzu's going to get him, though.
Item number to take advantage of that. We're going to get to a Looper Revolution coming up here in just a very few moments. A quick reminder also, the website. I'm telling you, it's your new best friend. Some of you, it's not a new best friend, it's just the best friend. Because it's getting you around.
No, Jed.
Easy. Jed's like, he's allowed to bite me. What is he doing?
I think he likes him.
Easy, Zoo.
Jed, no.
Easy.
You be nice, boy.
He's like, I'm out of here. This is enough of this weird stuff. Look at Susie who's going to go after him.
Oh. Are you kidding me right now?
Just chased him.
He's like, you come back here, eh? You
I think he wants to play.
He wants to play with you, Judy. Are you kidding me right now?
All of this on video. Get him, Zuzu, get him. Easy. Jed just got owned.
Oh, I'm getting that.
Really? Oh my God. This
Is
bird...
that on right now?
Yeah.
Get it.
Okay, hold on. I'm watching the bird chase the dog around the couch. Look at him. He's torturing him. What is he doing? What do you think of that, Jed? Easy, Zuzu. Look at him torture the dog. Babe, watch him. It's a standoff.
I thought it was black. Never mind.
No?
Well, I thought the case was black.